We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and we're looking at a 2017 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide Ultra. This one is in vivid black, has the silver pinstriping. This bike does have ABS. Has the passenger floorboards. Has the trunk, the top case with a luggage rack, tons of storage. This bike also has cruise control, navigation system, speakers on the rear passenger seat, right there on the backrest. We also run off of a fob, so we are keyless, and miles are 25,572. And she'll start right up. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.